In the next step, we can say that we have finished with onboarding and are now directly setting up the operation of our application. In the next step, we will be dealing with how to work with pockets, and it's better to do this using the mobile app. Almost all the described stages can be done using the mobile application, but it can also be done on the web. The current stage will directly relate to unlocking, so it is better to perform it using the mobile application. We are recording on the current version of the mobile application as of July 2024. In your case, depending on the version you are using, it may look a little different. The first thing to do after we log in with the same username and password we used for the web version is to log into the mobile application with the same username and password. You need to allow all permissions that the application requests. All of them are necessary for the application to perform its direct functions and operate correctly. Therefore, the first thing we see it requests is permission for notifications. We allow this. Next, in the section of all detailed settings, we allow the use of the camera. We will discuss why this is necessary a little later. In the Your Device section, we need to allow the use of Bluetooth. The device connects via Bluetooth, so when we want to connect our device, we need to allow the application access to Bluetooth. We allow and begin scanning our Bluetooth environment. In this case, this is the first device we see. This is the one we are interested in. The device that the application recognizes as the Ridy device will be highlighted in green. We connect to the device, see that the device is connected, and return to the scheme of our device on this screen. Here we see that the pocket numbers are labeled. And the products that we assigned in the previous step are visible here. From this screen, when the device is connected, we can click on any pocket. We see a green lock icon. At this point, if the device is correctly connected to the application, we will see the corresponding locks open. Similarly, we can enable charging manually from this current screen. Here we can disconnect from the device if for some reason we want to do this. Also on the settings screen, we can forget this device. Then our application will no longer try to connect to the device. If we do not select the Forget Device option in our application, then every time we launch the application, it starts scanning the Bluetooth environment and trying to find and connect to our device. So now we will continue setting up our device by filling it with some products and assigning them to pockets. Let's say we want to put gum here. We select this product and press Confirmed. If we do this from the mobile application, we receive a notification that lock number 8 should be open. And if at this moment the device is connected and the connection is active, then the lock will automatically open so that we can place this product directly into the pocket. In addition to manually assigning products, we also have a search feature that we can use. And we can also use a barcode scanner to scan a code. And if this code is already present in our product database, then this product will be selected automatically. So we assign several products and also set the charging cost. Now let's see how our passengers/customers can find us, primarily through the QR code located in the transparent pocket of your device. By scanning this QR code, passengers are directed to your store's page. An alternative method is to use a device ID and enter it manually on the Ridy page. So we are on the Ridy start page. This is an alternative way for your passengers to find your store. Of course, the easiest way, first and foremost, is to use the QR code scan and follow this link. But if for some reason this doesn't work, you can enter your store or device ID on the Ridy.club website, allowing your passengers to see your available products. As we can see, this list of products and their prices matches the products and prices we set in our organizer settings. If we add something else here, then firstly, unlocking is again triggered so that we can directly place a physical product in this pocket. And secondly, this additional product should appear on our store page. We don't see it now, but if we refresh this page, here our orbit appears. Now, what does the purchase look like? Your passengers choose the products they are interested in. They are added to the cart. A preliminary calculation of the total amount. Click Continue. Again, payment in your store is also made on the Stripe platform. Here we can also provide our contact details and use Google Pay. In this case, since I'm using an Android device, Google Pay is available to me. For security reasons, payment via Google Play is not shown on the video. Payment goes through, we receive a notification that a successful payment has been made, along with a list of purchased items. The buyer, in turn, sees a notification of successful payment. Once the mobile application receives this notification, the corresponding pockets will automatically open, provided that the device is still nearby, plugged into the USB socket, and connected to the mobile application. And your passenger will be able to collect the items they purchased. What happens next in our case? We see that the two items we just purchased are marked in gray. and this indicates that this item has been sold. And we have a couple of options for what we can do next. We can clear this item, then it will no longer be associated with the device and pocket, and we can assign another product or do a refill. Then again, our pocket will open, and after restocking, the product will be available for customers again. For example, if we do not clear the gray orbit, then the next time customers find themselves on our store page, we will open the store as a customer. Items marked as sold or gray in the application do not appear on our store page. Customer won't see them. And if we refill the pocket, the lock will open. Now we will physically place our product into the corresponding pocket. And the next time we visit our store page, this item will also be present and available for purchase again. You can see it here now. That's all regarding the management of our products and pockets. Pockets can also be cleared and the prices of already assigned products can be changed. For example, we can assign an additional overhead for our set price. Then we will have the option Update Price, $1.49. We see that it was $1.10, and at the next visit to this page, the new price became $1.49. In general, that's probably all regarding the management of products and pockets. The assigned products are also displayed on the screen of our device, from which we can directly open our pockets. But the ability to assign products on this page is not available yet. We will probably add it soon. At the moment, this screen is only intended for manually opening our pockets if necessary. Yes, that's probably all for now.